best way to describe Harrisburg's location is it's pretty much in Pennsylvania's middle.
You can find us about 2 hours from Philly, about 4 hours from Pittsburgh. So we're kind of in the middle of all the busy cities.
In terms of Piedmont stations, we're kind of medium to larger. It is different departments for both ramp and gate.
With this operation, there's a lot of moving parts.
We just have so many flights a day.
Harrisburg operates to Boston, Chicago, Philadelphia, Charlotte, and Dallas-Fort Worth. We do have Penn State Harrisburg here, so we also get a lot of students, and we get a lot of different ethnicities to come in.
We do have a few Spanish-speaking employees as well, so that's good because they can step in and help speak to them and translate.
We have someone who can speak Russian. We have someone who will speak Spanish. And if you ask me, I can speak Trinidadian. And that's one of the beautiful things I like about Piedmont and the diversity. There's a little bit of everything, which makes it like such a nice, unique station as well. We are a maintenance base and we are a diversion city. We are so close to Philadelphia, State College, and everywhere else, so we get the diversions.
In the summer, it's blazing hot. In the winter, we have snow. So whatever time of the year, we're going to have challenges, whether that be spring storms. It's just, the weather always affects us here. You never know what you're going to get. Harrisburg is like one of the quieter cities in the middle of DC, New York, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh. Being the capital, we do have a lot of business travelers here.
We're so close to like Hershey Park and Hershey Chocolate World. It's only like maybe a 20-minute commute from here.
There's always a lot of people, they'll be traveling home with all their chocolate goodies, so that's always fun to see.
The team, everybody's great.
Both above the wing and up. Below the wing, we get along very well.
Whether somebody's struggling with something, somebody jumps in and helps each other out. And that's what makes Harrisburg so special.
We work together, we get the job done, we get the flights out on time like we need to.
It's a great place to visit and to work.